Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. Link is going to be down below. Hopefully everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. We made it, guys. Merry Christmas to everybody. We got the final day of this year over with. So, we'll be alright, guys. Now, this is something cool. Everybody needs a set of these now. Everyone's doing their houses for TikTok videos, Twitch videos, streaming. This coming from DDBox, RGB LED strip lights. DDBox. 16 million colors. Mic mode. Timing mode. Oh, baby. Gotta love these. I got them pretty much everywhere now. My front door, bedroom, basement. Maybe this might go in the bathroom this time. Not sure yet where, but I'll figure it out. Maybe hopefully I can show you where I'm going to set it up. That still gonna need time to think about it, but that might be on my Instagram page too. So, oh, here we go. We got the transmitter type thing, where you can have multiple of these connectors. Here's the timer, mode, speed, color, mic. Got some sticky stuff. Got the remote control, nice remote right here. Make sure you pull the tab. Boom. Now it's ready to roll. Got the power right here. Just the normal. Oh, we got screws and everything. A lot of goodies in this bag. Yeah, I'm gonna need some time to think about where I'm gonna install these. Oh, we got corner pieces, but I can show you how they work. Oh, that's nice. You can put it like for the wall. Put it in the corner. Split that way, and then the other way. The V shape. Those are always nice to have. We got a bunch of stuff. A lot of them down on the bottom. Okay, so DDBox. Thank you guys. You guys should check them out. Let's set this up. Got this. Got 2 rolls. That should be plenty. How many feet is this? I think this is waterproof. Okay, there's gonna be... Oh, excuse me. Here we go. Yeah, Happy Lighting app, it's called. So we got the bag right here. We got the spools. 1 spool. Got the prongs right there. Got 2. Oh, it's 3 of them. Nice. So you connect one end to that, one end to that. Here's the lights. And then the third one. Kind of looks like those movie theater ones, projectors for the old days. The good old days. Oh boy, here we go. Now we plug right there. I'm going to find a spot for this guy. Untwist. Go. Oh boy. I'm gonna have to see if these are indoor, outdoor, or both, or just one. That's why I brought up the manual. Not 100% sure. I need my phone. App mode. I'm definitely gonna have to show you the app. See, are they waterproof? For indoor use only. Shows in the bag right there. I got so many LEDs. And there's app mode. You gotta scan in case you lose yours. You can always zap that one. Just open the app up. There we go. I'm gonna get the phone. Hold on one sec. Alright guys, grab the S20 Ultra. We got to go to the Play Store and type. I'm gonna just type it in. Type. Dreamcolor, I think it was. Happy Lighting app. Happy Lighting app. Here we go. That's what it looks like on the Google Store. Probably the same thing on the Apple Store too. So gonna let that install. It's a fast install. Where did it go? Okay, then it's gonna ask you for the privacy thing agreement. So I hit OK. Allow using the app. So here it is. Controls are there. Really nice. I like the background, the galaxy. So we got it plugged in. Got that zoomed. And there's a sensor right here. See right here, there's going to be the music. So you can vibe off the movie in case you're watching like Mandalorian, stuff like that. Stranger Things or whatever you're binge watching now. You can have it bounce off that feed, which is really cool. I sometimes do it, like pay-per-views and stuff like that. Plug this guy. Like I said, I'm not going to unspool them, but they're long, so I just got to figure out where to set these up at. Here we go. You just got to get it right in the hole. Should be good right there. Should have arrow matching. That's why. There we go. See these little tiny arrows? Right here. Gotta have it matching with this little guy right there. And once you connect them together, they light up. Ooh, I like these already. I could probably hook all 3 of them, at least. Show you guys what they all look like. But like I said, I have no idea where I'm going to set these up yet. Gotta love these RGB. Whoever thought of this idea, kudos to you. I got 2. And now for the final third. See, it's easy to unspool it. So I'm going to turn off the lights. You can always buy more and add onto it. Because I did my basement and that took a lot of these, so but that was in my earlier RGBs. Sometimes you gotta split it right in the hole. There we go. So we got all 3 lit up. Clean up this mess, clean up that mess, clean up these, zoom in out more, drop you guys down a little bit. There we go. Now you can see them. I wish it was a little darker out, but it's like 4 o'clock, so we've got another hour to darkness. And like I said, I'll probably do another review video on these once I get these situated somewhere. Alexa, turn off computer light. Oh shit, never mind, I can't turn it off. Oh yeah, these are bright still. You can still. And that's full max on the app. Whoa. No, that's full max. You can see the glow. There we go. And you can change the color, blue. The white is always nice for like movies. Green, Christmas time. Red, Christmas time. Blue, to relax. The music, wow. So in case you have your playlist, you can just shoot it off and it'll adjust. Allow. There's a mic. Tape. Hello, hello, hello. Hello. Phone mic. Hello, 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 hello. Test 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. See? Kind of like that. And it vibes off the sound of your voice or TV, gaming, anything pretty much. Movies. So really cool to do on those. You can turn the sensitivity up. Crank that sucker up. Boom, boom, boom. Ayo, ayo. Your own Christmas party, New Year's party. I think you can still get these shipped fast, and then you could change the pulse, I guess, if you want to call it. Ooh, that might cause a little seizure. You got the strobe lighting. So if you want to do like a hip hop video, you could with these. Blue strobe. So there might be a long video, but this is something really cool to show. Grab some popcorn. Pulse reading red. But this is the last one I need to show that we're all done. How about that? Purple. That's really cool. I like the purple. Cyan. That's not bad. And blue. Green. Red. Rainbow. Got them rainbows going. And just. Fully adjust. App runs really smooth. Really cool though. So check these guys out, YouTubers. Great deal they got going on now for the DDBox RGB LED strip lights. Get them now. Be safe. Merry Christmas to all. Happy holidays to everybody else. Happy Hanukkah. That's still going. You guys be safe. And see you next year.